Why does it seem like the only option when you have a case is that you're guilty and you have to sit there in silence as the system informs you about what's going to happen to you? Why is it that it's automatically that you're guilty and you're going to get convicted? I reckon there's a range of options and endings available to you even if you are guilty. Let me explain with a couple of cases from here at Kurri Kurri Local Court from September 2025. Both cases are unrelated and both defendants had a defence solicitor. Both pled guilty straight away, and in both cases the magistrate didn't accept whatever approach the solicitor was taking, even to the point of bypassing the solicitor just to talk about options directly with the defendant. To be super clear, the magistrate wasn't giving them legal advice, just telling them what the options were. In the first case, the defendant was very young, maybe 18, 19, 20. Clearly the magistrate had read the file. When the defence solicitor entered the guilty plea, the magistrate essentially said no and encouraged the defendant to give Merit a go. Merit is a treatment program for drugs and alcohol defendants can do before sentencing. In open court, the magistrate stated what drug and how much the defendant was having a day. Plus, there's a comment about the defendant having limited support. It's my observation the magistrate bypassed the solicitor and started engaging with the young defendant. The defendant agreed to show up at Sept Local Court the next day to start the Merit process. The second case saw the solicitor seeking to move the case onto sentencing, but the magistrate argued that it was in the defendant's best interest to wait until the charges were finalised. There were additional charges coming from Bathurst and the drug analysis results weren't back yet. Sure, sometimes you can see defendants who just want the matter finalised, but you could end up with a conviction or some longer, more complex legal problem if you rush. Let the police work out what they're actually going to charge you with, then enter a plea. I think you don't have to turn up to Kurri Kurri Local Court and automatically wear the label that says you're guilty. There are options and other endings that are available.